welcome back. Today's video is a requested video and I'm gonna take you on the tour of my kitchen garden. If you like the video, don't forget to click on like button and share it with others, and if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe. So let's get started.
So here comes the utility area which is connected to my kitchen garden, and you can easily make out how less space I have. But I'm sure you'll be surprised to see the varieties of vegetables I have grown in such small space. Alright, let's start from this side now. So in the utility, all you can see is sponge gourd creepers on the grill. So my first tip is always try to grow creepers near grills, fences or walls where they get sufficient space to grow properly. Friends, from this much space only I usually harvest 10 to 15 sponge gourds weekly, which is sufficient for 3 of us. Now let's go to the garden. Here I have few corn plants, bitter gourd creepers, which is climbing up on the net. Here comes my second tip. Use these kind of nets if you have a small garden space. This way you will get almost double space for your garden on the ground as well as on the net. So here on the net I have bitter gourd creeper as well as bottle gourd creepers growing very nicely, and they are producing lots many vegetables. My third tip is grow more of vegetables that grow on creepers because they produce more as compared to other vegetables, be it ladyfingers or brinjals. So always prefer creeping vines. I have guava tree also in my kitchen garden. This is the pink guava variety. I had papaya tree also which fell down couple of months back. Then I have black pepper creeper also whose leaves look like beetle leaf. I have one small papaya tree next to black pepper creeper. And broad beans creeper is also growing well next to papaya tree. Then I have few radish plants also on the ground. And there are few sugarcane plants. We had more of sugarcane we recently harvested, and these are the new ones which have grown from the same place. And next to that I have one more papaya tree. Over here I have a gooseberry tree also, which is around 3 years old plant. And next to that I have a curry leaf plant, which is around 4 years old plant. And down there I have aloe vera plants. And few more corns. Then comes basil plant. I use its leaves in pasta. It's highly fragrant. Then I have Giloy creeper also on the fence itself. It's growing really nicely. And comes my beetle leaf creeper, spread all over window. I have a separate video on Giloy and beetle leaf plants. Link is there in the description box. Please do check it. Then more of aloe vera and Giloy spread all over fence. And also I have a few lemongrass plants also, and then next to that more of sugarcane plants. So this is how it looks from the backyard, and these are the varieties I have grown in my small kitchen garden space. And over here I have few sponge gourd creepers and sweet corns as well. They are growing really nicely. Small cobs have started emerging. Soon I'll have lots many sweet corns. And along I have few broad beans creepers also growing on the grill itself. So that is all for today. I hope you enjoyed my small kitchen garden tour. Thanks for watching. Bye.